I'm sure some of you guys heard this supposed real Spinosaurus sound on the internet before, but is it actually the real sound of Spinosaurus? Based on the current research and what we know about Spinosaurus right now, this is not what it sounded like. The sound actually came from this YouTube video right here. It's super cool and creepy, don't get me wrong, but it's not real. What you actually heard was a slowed down and reverb recording of a loon bird call. This bird is well known for their eerie, echoing calls, which makes them unique. So unfortunately, the sound of Spinosaurus is still unknown and up to everyone's imagination. But do you think this sound is more accurate than Jurassic Park's Spinosaurus?